Chef Alfonso, all the way from Spain. Come on in now.
Bonjour everyone, nice to see you, and I'm so pleased that she hasn't got me dressed up in anything stupid this week. So Gin, what's cooking?
Well, today I thought we would make some dance for fun buns, and also due to the lack of ginger nut biscuits around the world, I thought we'd make our own ginger
Oh,
nuts.
fantastic.
Yes.
Well, before we get started, there's one ingredient that every chef needs, don't you agree?
Oh, what's that, Al?
Come on.
Oh,
let's get started. Come on.
Oh, let's have some of that.
Just pour a small one out.
Oh, lovely.
It's got to be done, hasn't it?
It's got to be done.
Okay, okay.
Nice.
Cheers.
Oh,
Cheers.
nice.
Oh, that's
Ooh,
nice. So,
that's better.
what's happening with the ingredients?
Well, because we're in lockdown, we don't have all the ingredients we would like. But if we've got some flour and some caster sugar, butter, a bit of honey, anything you find in your cupboard. I've got a few raisins, anything you can find, we can make dance for fun buns.
Ginger nuts.
Yeah.
Don't you need ginger? Have we got any ginger?
Oh, well, I bet that we haven't got any.
Have you got any nuts?
We haven't got any nuts.
Oh, did you improvise?
I improvised, yeah.
Good idea.
Yeah, I mean, I found a bit of honey, and you know, we've got the flour and everything, we're fine.
Very good. Right. So,
Oh, that's my ginger nuts ready. Oh, here we go. Here's some I prepared earlier. Oh,
oh, they look delicious.
oh, lovely. Right.
I'll tell you what, I like this lockdown, Mark. It's like being on my holidays. Oh,
We have got a job to do.
oh, of course.
We're supposed to be helping.
What is it we're doing this morning, Jen?
We've got to do prize presentation number 9. Yes.
9?
Yes, 9.
9? Okay, so welcome everyone to prize presentation number 9. Well, you remember last week we did alphabetical countries. We had lots of entries again.
How many?
Ooh, a million entries. And they've all been placed into the cool colander of chaos.
Woo!
There we go. So we've got all the entries. Ginny is going to pick out the winning entry.
And the winner is David and Vivian.
David and Vivian, all the way from down south.
Yeah.
That David and Vivian.
Not David and Vivian.
Congratulations, David and Vivian. You win yourselves a Dancing is Good bag and not one, but 2 Dance for Fun pens. So congratulations. That's absolutely brilliant. Well, everyone, that's all from us from the Dance for Fun kitchen this week. We'll see you again next week. Take care, everyone. Stay safe.
Bye, everyone. Stay alert. And if you can, keep dancing.